Hi, welcome to Technology Tuesday. My name is Bob here at Jones Toyota. Today I'm going to talk to you about Toyota Safety Sense and all the features of that product. What is Toyota Safety Sense? Toyota Safety Sense is a package from Toyota that will help you prevent or mitigate accidents to keep you safe. It includes the pre-collision system, which will help you slow the car down or stop if necessary to avoid a collision. The second feature is a dynamic radar cruise control, which works with your cruise control to keep you at a safe distance for the car in front of you. If your cruise control is set at 65, the car in front of you is doing 50, will keep the safe distance between the two cars. The third feature is the lane departure alert, which will keep you in your lane. If you start to drift over, the car will beep or you'll feel a nudge on the steering wheel and help push you back over into your lane. Our next feature is our automatic high beams, which when driving down a dark road, your high beams are on. It'll pick up oncoming headlights and tail lights to not interfere with the driver oncoming or in front of you. Our next feature is the lane tracing assist, which works together with our dynamic radar cruise control and our lane departure alert, which keeps your car straight right in the lane as you're going down the road. The final feature of our Toyota Safety Sense is the road sign assist. Using the cameras, picks up the speed limit signs, put it into the infotainment center right in front of you so you will know the speed limit at all times. That's just a quick overview of the Toyota Safety Sense. I invite you all to come to Jones Toyota and see me, Bob, and we'll go over more features of the Toyota today.